Have you ever opened a long line of text in Notepad and had to scroll all the way to the side just to read it? That's where word wrap helps. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable word wrap in Notepad, what it does, and how to switch it back off whenever you want. Let's take a look. First, open Notepad on your Windows PC. You can use Windows Search, the Start menu, or any shortcut you already have. Once Notepad is open, load a text file with a few long lines so you can clearly see the difference word wrap makes. Next, look at the menu bar at the top of Notepad. In supported versions, open the Format menu and look for word wrap. This option controls whether long lines continue off the edge of the window or automatically move onto the next visible line. Select word wrap to turn it on. As soon as it's enabled, long lines will automatically wrap to the next line when they reach the edge of the Notepad window. You no longer need to scroll horizontally just to read the rest of a sentence. Yeah, it makes longer notes much easier to read. One important thing to remember is that word wrap changes how the text is displayed, not the actual content of your file. Your words stay exactly the same. Notepad is simply changing where each line appears on screen, so you can use word wrap without worrying about changing your text. If you prefer the traditional view, you can turn word wrap off at any time. Open the Format menu again and select word wrap. The long lines will return to their original layout, and you may need to scroll horizontally to see text that extends beyond the window. Word wrap is especially useful for reading notes, articles, code comments, or other text with long sentences. If you're working with structured text where exact line lengths matter, you may prefer to keep it off. For everyday reading, though, keeping word wrap enabled is usually more comfortable. And that's how you enable word wrap in Notepad. Just open Format, select word wrap, and Notepad will keep long lines within the visible window. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference when reading longer text, so give it a try and see which layout works best for you. Thanks for watching.